So today's video is a makeup tutorial on the look I'm wearing right now. Of course, I am using my So Jaded palette to create this look. This look was actually highly requested. I posted a photo on my Instagram stories a few days ago where I had like a really jewel toned smoky eye with like a cool lip color. I don't think I've ever gotten so many DMs to request a makeup look like ever in my life. And I actually got really excited because I just did that look really quick one day. I was getting ready to go out to dinner. I didn't film it or anything. It was back in June and this wasn't revealed yet. So I had worn it out to dinner and I got so many compliments in person. I just knew eventually I would film a look on it. And here we are. Now this look is actually very easy. It just takes a lot of time. You are sitting there blending for a hot minute because this look is all about layering these shades, layering and blending. So this look is a little bit tedious, but it's not hard to recreate at all. Plus there's no liquid eyeliner or falsies. Obviously you can add liquid eyeliner and falsies to really amp up this look, but I love how it looks completely on its own. I don't even want to put on falsies, honestly. I think it would like take away from the eyes. I really love this look so much, and I'm really excited that you guys like it as well. So if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching.
All right, guys, let's do this. I'm feeling a little bit under the weather today and I'm super stuffy, so I'm gonna try to edit out all the sniffles. But I already primed my eyes before going in with this palette, and I'm actually taking the shade Citrine, and this is the color I'm starting off with. And I'm gonna start to slowly build this color in my inner corners and really packing this on. I'm going in little by little, and you're gonna start to see that throughout this tutorial, that I go back and forth with these shades a lot. But I'm just building Citrine up in the inner corners. Now I'm gonna take the next shade, it's called Carnelian, and I'm gonna start applying this color really close to Citrine. It's the second shade in our jewel toned rainbow situation we're trying to create. So I'm just meshing these two colors together, blending it back and forth, making sure there are no harsh lines and that everything looks nice and blended. And like I said, this is a very tedious look, so you do have to go back and forth and blend this quite a bit. Now I'm going to go into Jade, that is the third shade in our little rainbow, and I'm going to start applying this color on the outer corners, and you see in just a second that I cover it up with blue, but don't worry, you'll see it'll all come together in the end, and you start building the colors on top of each other, and then it becomes a nice little faded gradient. So I'm going back into the orange shade, back into the yellow shade, and back into the green shade, and just intensifying the colors a bit more and packing it on and blending it in the crease. Like I said, there's just a lot of back and forth with this look. Just keep packing it on and keep blending. Now I'm gonna take Sapphire, and this is my favorite shade in this look. It just like ties everything together. I'm gonna start focusing this color on the outer corners of my eyes and then bringing it in a little bit. Just really trying to blend this color into the green and into the orange and making it look nice and seamless. So it does take some time, especially since this color is so deep and pigmented. So don't worry, just take your time and blend. I'm also bringing the eyeshadow out a bit so it looks like a nice sharp angle on the outer corners. I mean, I do clean it up in just a second with some makeup remover wipes, but trying to maintain that nice little sharp angle on the outer corners. And as you can see here, I'm just going back into the Jade shade, back into that green, applying some more so it can show up some more, and just blending some more and adding all the colors all over again. To highlight my brow bone, I'm going to take the shade Pearl, of course. And then, like I said, I just took a makeup remover wipe and just cleaned up any fallout, and I sharpened up those edges. I moved on to my face before I finished up the eyes. You know the drill, I do this all the time. But I'm priming my skin with the Colourpop Pretty Fresh primer. And then my freaking camera cut off and I didn't notice. But I just started applying my Makeup Forever Ultra HD Liquid Foundation. I had already applied it to like the majority of my face, but that's the foundation I'm using. And then I went in with the Tarte Creaseless Concealer and blended that out. I love this concealer. It's so dewy and hydrating, and to me it's just so underrated. But I'm gonna apply some powder to the under eyes. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Pressed Powder. I think that's the name of this. I am just using that to set my concealer. Okay, and to finish up the eyes, I went in with my Marc Jacobs eyeliner in the shade Overnight, and I just applied this to my tight line and my waterline, and then I started to work on my lower lash line. I took the shade Citrine. I basically took all the shades that I used on my lid, and I used them on my lower lash line in the exact same sections. So very, very easy. Took some Citrine, took some Carnelian, took some Jade, and took some Sapphire, and I smoked it out. And that's pretty much it with the eyes. All I did was curl my lashes and I applied some mascara. I applied some primer first. This is the Marc Jacobs Undercover Eye Primer. Eye mascara primer. I used that first, and then I went in with my, is that my L'Oreal? Yes, that's my Pat McGrath. Did I just switch a mascara? I didn't notice that. But this is the Pat McGrath Fetish mascara, and I applied that to my top and bottom lashes, and I love this eye look. For bronzer, I'm going in with an oldie but a goodie. This is the NYC Sunny Bronzer. Oh my gosh, what an OG classic right there. I did want to contour a little bit, so I took the Cover FX Suntan Bronzer just to sculpt the face a little bit more. And then for blush, I went in with this Juicy Tangerine Cocktail right here. These are the Colourpop blushes in Lunar Has It and So Retrograde. For highlight, I went in with the Artist Couture Summer Haze highlight. I love this highlight so much, as you guys know. And then the lip color I was wearing in that photo on Instagram was this combo. Very color poppy, but this is what I was wearing. I took my 0.0 Ultra Satin lip and I applied it to my entire lips. And then I wanted it a little bit less intense, like not as brown. I wanted it a little bit more nudie. So I took some off the back of my hand, but then I went in with my Colourpop Luxe lipstick in the shade What's Your Sign so that I could nudify it a little bit more. I just really wanted to like lighten the shade up a bit. And then for gloss, of course, I went in with my Colourpop Moonchild lip gloss.
Okay guys, so that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope you recreate it with your So Jaded palette at home. Let me know in the comments below if I am bombarding your feed with too many So Jaded looks, and then I will slow things down. I never know when it's too much or not enough. It's like a constant battle in my head. So let me know. But anyway guys, yes, that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if I haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. I'm feeling so spicy in these nails.